Keep smoking.
So this is my new baby doll. This is called the Bumblebee, big holler. Ron Sweet did the sound on this. Don Sweet at RCS. This is the first trial run. We have a bell. Pretty rudimentary setup I have right now. As I come to a stop, and that's my dog. Yeah, Layla.